Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you about the Boston Whaler 2020 230 Vantage. It's a gorgeous boat. The lines are beautiful. It's got the light blue color on the hull, the stainless steel insert, and it's also got the matching light blue underneath the large hard top up there. And it's also powered by the Mercury Verado 300. It's a plenty of power for this boat. It'll hop on plane, give you a nice top end. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 230 Vantage. Let's start at the back of the boat. If you're fishing, you've got the nice thigh bolster here. You got rod holders right here, but if you're going for a ride, you just take it and you pull it down. Nice high back, very comfortable seat. 2 or 3 adults very comfortably here. On the back side, we've got a very unique chair with storage underneath it. You can put a table right here. It also has your live well right there. So this will actually go this way. I can lounge this way, and I can lounge that way. Very, very nice the way they did this. Fantastic. Yeti cooler, little sink and prep station right here. At the helm, it's got the touchscreen Raymarine. It's all you need. You know, the nice new touchscreens are really easy to use. Fusion stereo. And then on this side, you've got the head area, and it's got a vacuum flush toilet on there. It's got a handheld shower, so you can rinse yourself off. So it's actually for a 23-foot boat. Vacuum flush head. You don't see them very often. Very, very nice. As we move forward, you've got large storage underneath here. You got a little trash receptacle there. And then as we move to the bow, you've got a windlass right here. And you can also add, if you want, a beach boarding ladder for going right up onto the beach and getting on and off the boat with it. We can do that for you here, not a problem. But so you'd have both systems, would be great. If you do use the ladder and get back on, it's got a little sprayer right here, rinse the sand off, nice feature. So fantastic boat for down here. Does the inside great, does the outside well also. Get any questions, would like to make an appointment to come see it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.